Everyone's posting content online, but only a few are monetizing it. Here's the truth: your tweets, your LinkedIn posts, your YouTube scripts, all of it can be turned into something far more powerful: a best-selling book. At Blastily, we don't just talk about it. We help speakers, coaches, and content creators transform raw ideas into books that sell on Amazon and beyond. Part 1: Why Books Still Matter. Publishing a book isn't just about ego. It's about authority. Did you know that according to Nielsen Bookscan, non-fiction book sales grew by over 8% in the past year? Books establish you as a thought leader. They open doors to speaking gigs, higher consulting fees, and media features. In fact, 82% of people say they are more likely to trust an expert who has published a book. That means your book is more than just pages. It's a business card that never expires. Part 2: The Blastily Book Creation Process. So how do you actually turn content into a book? At Blastily, we've made the process simple. Step 1: Fill the Publish Me form. Tell us what your idea is, no matter how rough. We'll help you shape it. Step 2: Writing. We draft chapters from your ideas, posts, or recordings, then refine them with developmental editing, copyediting, and proofreading. Step 3: Design and formatting. Every great book needs to look the part. We handle your professional interior layout, cover design, ISBN, and copyright. Step 4: Publishing and distribution. We publish and distribute your book on Amazon and other global platforms. That means your book can be bought in London, Lagos, or Los Angeles. Step 5: Marketing and launch. This is where most writers struggle, but not with Blastily. We promote your book with press releases, social media campaigns, podcast features, and targeted emails. You don't just publish, you sell. Wrap UP CTA. So let's recap. 1. Your content is already valuable. 2. Books build authority, trust, and revenue. 3. Blastily gives you the step-by-step process to make it real. Ready to turn your ideas into a book? Visit blastily.com and fill the Publish Me form to get started. And before you go, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment about the kind of book you'd love to publish, and subscribe for more insider resources from Blastily.